Hello, this is Professor Shiba back with the fifth session of week 8. The topic is measures to be taken in event evaluation. Introduction. The significance of event evaluation cannot be overstated, as it serves as a compass guiding companies through the complex landscape of planning, execution, and reflection. Each event represents a unique tapestry of experiences, objectives, and challenges, and evaluating its success requires a multifaceted approach. Beginning with the adoption of SMART goals, organizations lay the groundwork for a focused evaluation process. These goals, characterized by specificity, measurability, attainability, and realism, and timeliness, provide a structured lens through which success can be quantified and shortcomings identified. Benchmarking against competitors offers an external perspective, enriching the evaluation process with industry insights and best practices. Active observations during the event, on-site feedback collection, and post-event surveys provide real-time and post-event insights into attendee experiences, preferences, and areas for improvement. Expanding the evaluation scope to external perceptions, tracking media mentions, press clippings, and social media engagement adds layers of understanding. This external feedback complements internal assessments, offering a holistic view of the event's reception in the wider landscape. Quantitative aspects such as guest attendance, tracking, and budget monitoring offer tangible metrics for success. Evaluating attendance trends and financial outcomes provides insights into marketing effectiveness and financial efficiency. Team debriefing sessions inject a qualitative dimension into the evaluation process, recognizing the human element within the organizing team. Acknowledging successes and learning from challenges contributes to a culture of continuous improvement. These significant steps collectively form a strategic roadmap for event evaluation, acknowledging the dynamic interplay of quantitative metrics and qualitative insights. As organizations navigate the evolving landscape of event planning, embracing these steps is not just a choice. It is a commitment to excellence, growth, and the delivery of truly impactful experiences. When it comes to evaluating the success of an event, organizers often navigate through a myriad of strategies to ensure a thorough analysis. Each event is unique, but there are key tips universally beneficial for robust evaluation process. In this comprehensive section, we will delve into 10 essential tips for evaluating event success, providing insights that can be tailored to diverse organizational needs. Following slides will cover each and every step. Use SMART goals for precision. The foundation of a successful event evaluation lies in setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. This framework ensures that the objectives are well-defined, quantifiable, achievable, aligned with reality, and bound by a time frame. By adopting SMART goals, companies create a roadmap for effective event evaluation. Precision in planning. Ensure that goals are specific, leaving no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. A clearly defined goal provides a precise target for evaluation. This precision sets the stage for effective evaluation. When measuring impact, select metrics that align with the goals and provide meaningful data. This approach not only simplifies the evaluation process, but also contributes to a more insightful post-event analysis. Measuring impact. Utilize measurable criteria to assess the success of each goal. Measurable parameters allow for quantifiable analysis, facilitating data-driven insights. Additionally, exploring innovative methods for data collection and analysis can elevate the precision and efficiency of the evaluation process. Achievability and realism. Evaluate whether the goals set are attainable and realistic within the given constraints. This step ensures that expectations align with practical possibilities. Taking into consideration available resources, time limitations, and logistical capabilities. This step ensures that expectations align with practical possibilities. Set goals that are not only specific but also realistic, considering available resources and potential challenges. Realism ensures that objectives are achievable and establishes the foundation for a successful and meaningful evaluation. Time-bound objectives. Set a time frame for each goal, establishing deadlines that contribute to a focused and time-sensitive evaluation process. Setting time-bound objectives not only adds a critical dimension to the evaluation process, but also ensures that assessments are conducted in a structured and timely manner. It promotes a focused, accountable, and efficient approach to achieving the goals outlined for event evaluation. Benchmark against competitors. A strategic approach to gauging event success involves benchmarking against competitors. By selecting a comparable event in terms of format, type, or industry, companies can gain valuable insights into their performance relative to peers. Identifying comparable events. Select events from competitors that closely resemble the nature of your own. A parallel comparison enhances the relevance and accuracy of the evaluation. Analyzing competitor strategies. Examine the strategies employed by competitors during similar events. This analysis provides a benchmark for identifying successful tactics and areas for improvement. Industry alignment. Ensure that the selected competitor events align with the industry landscape, allowing for meaningful comparisons that resonate within the relevant sector. Active observations during the event. Effective event evaluation extends beyond pre-event planning, requiring continuous observations during the event itself. Actively monitoring guest experiences, team preparedness, and overall event dynamics provides real-time insights. Detail-oriented observations. Maintain the attention to detail exercised during pre-event planning. Observation notes should encompass positive aspects and areas with room for improvement. Preparedness for mishaps. Evaluate the team's readiness to address unforeseen challenges. Assessing how well the team handles unexpected situations is crucial for future preparedness. Reflection on event day. Recording observations in real time establishes a comprehensive record for post-event analysis. These observations serve as a basis of identifying both successful and challenging aspects of the event. On-site feedback collection. Engaging with attendees on-site provides an immediate avenue for gathering valuable feedback. Actively seeking opinions during the event enables companies to gauge attendee satisfaction in the moment. Staff-initiated interactions. Incorporate staff members to initiate conversations with attendees, gauging their real-time experiences. Direct interactions offer a nuanced understanding of attendee sentiments. Real-time feedback recording. Record feedback from attendees promptly to capture authentic responses. Immediate recording ensures accuracy and prevents the loss of valuable insights. Integration with observations. Integrate on-site feedback with observations made during the event. This convergence of data sources enhances the depth and reliability of the evaluation. Post-event surveys for holistic feedback. Post-event surveys stand as a potent tool for collecting comprehensive feedback from attendees. Structured surveys allow for a systematic exploration of attendee experiences, preferences, and suggestions. Survey design for insights. Craft surveys with a focus on gathering insightful information. Pose questions that delve into various aspects, including branding, registration ease, and overall event satisfaction. Honest opinions from attendees. I encourage attendees to express their honest opinions through the survey. Honest feedback forms the basics for constructive analysis and future improvements. Comprehensive questioning. Design surveys that cover a wide array of aspects, ensuring a thorough exploration of attendee perspectives. A comprehensive approach uncovers nuanced insights. Tracking media mentions and press clippings. The success of an event is often reflected in media mentions and press coverage. Tracking these mentions provides an external perspective on the event's impact and reception. Social media monitoring. Utilize social media platforms to track mentions and discussions about the event. Social media analytics offer real-time insights into the online conversation surrounding the event. Google Alerts for event mentions. Set up Google Alerts to receive notifications about any mentions of the event across online platforms. This proactive approach ensures awareness of both positive and negative sentiments. Reputable media reviews. Prioritize mentions from reputable media sources. Positive reviews from credible sources enhance the event's credibility and contribute to a positive overall evaluation. Analyzing social media engagement. The era of digital communication provides an abundance of data through social media channels. Analyzing engagement metrics on platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram offers a quantitative measure of success. Metrics for assessment. Train marketing teams in social media analytics to track key metrics. Assess likes, shares, comments, follows, and other relevant indicators to gauge the extent of social media engagement. Assessing virality and reach. Evaluate the virality and reach of event-related content. A widespread and impactful presence on social media contributes to the overall success narrative. Social media analytics expertise. Leverage the expertise of social media analytics professionals to derive meaningful insights. Interpreting complex data sets enhances the precision of social media engagement evaluation. Guest attendance tracking for strategic insights. Monitoring guest attendance may seem elementary, but holds strategic significance. Tracking attendance provides insights into the event's popularity, effectiveness of marketing efforts, and overall reach. Utilizing advanced ticketing platforms. Opt for ticketing platforms equipped with advanced tracking capabilities. These platforms streamline the tracking process, offering detailed insights into registrations and attendance. Evaluating marketing effectiveness. Assess the correlation between marketing efforts and actual attendance. Understanding which promotional strategies yielded the highest attendance rates informs future marketing endeavors. Surpassing attendance goals. Celebrate instances where guest attendance exceeds initial projections. Exceeding attendance goals signifies the event's appeal and positions it as a success. Budget tracking for financial evaluation. A fundamental yet critical aspect of event evaluation is tracking the budget. Evaluating financial aspects, including revenue generation and adherence to budgetary constraints, provides a comprehensive overview. Revenue calculation. Calculate the revenue generated by the event considering ticket sales, sponsorships, and other income streams. Revenue calculation forms the basis for assessing financial success. Surplus and deficit analysis. Conduct a thorough analysis of budgetary outcomes, identifying surpluses or deficits. Understanding financial implications contributes to informed decision making for future events. Holistic budget assessment. Evaluate the entire budget, including expenditures on planning, promotion, and execution. A holistic assessment provides insights into the financial efficiency of each aspect. Team debriefing for collaborative insights. Beyond numerical data, the qualitative perspectives of the team that orchestrated the event are invaluable. Conducting a debriefing session gathers insights, reflections, and suggestions from the individuals directly involved. Acknowledging successes. Encourage the team to highlight aspects of the event that were particularly successful. Acknowledging achievements boosts team morale and reinforces positive practices. Identifying improvement areas. Facilitate open discussions about areas that could be improved. Honest reflections from team members contribute to a continuous improvement cycle for future events. Collective learning for future events. Emphasize the collective learning derived from team experiences. Insights gained from the team debriefing process serve as a reservoir of knowledge for enhancing future events. In the intricate landscape of event evaluation, these 10 tips serve as guiding beacons for companies seeking a comprehensive and nuanced analysis. The integration of quantitative metrics, qualitative insights, and team reflections creates a holistic framework for understanding event success. By adopting these strategies, companies not only assess past events but also lay the groundwork for continuously elevating the quality and impact of future endeavor. Concept of event quality and measuring quality of event. Exactly on the lines of evaluation of effectiveness of an event comes the concept of event quality. In a sense, quality of an event exists in the client's perspective and thus varies from client to client. By aiming for quality by maintaining standards, preventing mistakes, never cutting corners, and using only top quality infrastructure is looking at quality from a skewed angle. Unless the target audience and the clients perceive the quality of the job in the same way as the event organizers, the big picture of quality is not complete. Therefore, it is critical to match the client's expectations and experiences by including even the minutest details to arrive at the perceived quality of event. In matters of dispute, it is value to the client that finally matters. For the client, quality of an event is a bundle of attributes. A few of these critical attributes are quality and reliability of equipment used, aesthetic appeal, appropriate cost, and timely completion of the project. Each client will care more about some attribute than others. Thus, it is important to find out how clients would define quality event service. Competence in project management from conceptualization to carry out. Reliability and integrity as in the past performances of events that have been executed by the event organizer is a very important quality criterion. Responsiveness to the client's requirements, that is, empathy, mutual confidence, and trust, are also criteria used by clients to size up the quality of event organizers. In addition, an easy to work with manner, personal involvement, and caring that the event organizer exudes also helps. Delivery of promises and deals should be ensured. Every client expects the event to provide the ideal audience to associate with, impress, and entice. Thus, the quality of an event can also be defined in terms of the audience quality. Clients should focus on three major statistics that define audience quality. Net buying influences are an important quality measuring concept which can be defined as the ratio of the number of audience that can recommend, specify, or approve purchase to the total population at the event. Total buying plans imply the percentage of the audience planning to buy a product or a service from the sponsor's tables within the next 12 months after the show. Average audience interest is the percentage of audience that shows an interest in the sponsor's products or services during the event itself and immediately after. This may be measured by keeping track of the number of visitors to the sponsor's stall or exhibit area during the event. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evaluation of event success is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a strategic and comprehensive approach. The amalgamation of quantitative metrics and qualitative insights, coupled with the reflections of the team involved, forms a robust framework for understanding the dynamics and impact of each event. The tips presented here serve as invaluable guidelines for companies navigating the intricate terrain of event evaluation. Firstly, the adoption of SMART goals lays a meticulous foundation, ensuring that objectives are not only well defined but also measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. This precision in goal setting sets the stage for a focused evaluation process, where success can be quantified and shortcomings can be addressed with clarity. Benchmarking against competitors emerges as a strategic tactic, providing companies with a comparative analysis that goes beyond internal assessments. This external perspective offers insights into industry standards, successful strategies, and potential areas for improvement, contributing to a well-rounded evaluation. Active observations during the event itself act as a crucial layer in the evaluation process. The attention to detail exercise during pre-event planning must extend to the event day, allowing for real-time adjustments and a nuanced understanding of the guest experience. On-site feedback collection and post-event surveys serve as direct conduits to attendee experience. Actively seeking opinions during the event and structuring post-event surveys with precision enable companies to delve into attendee sentiments, preferences, and constructive suggestions. The tracking of media mentions, press clippings, and social media engagement expands the evaluation scope to external perceptions. Analyzing the event's impact in the media landscape provides valuable insights into its reception, contributing to a more holistic understanding of success. Guest attendance tracking and budget monitoring, seemingly straightforward aspects, hold strategic significance. Evaluating attendance trends and financial outcomes offers a tangible perspective on the event's popularity, marketing effectiveness, and financial efficiency. The qualitative aspects of team debriefing sessions encapsulate the human element in event evaluation. Recognizing successes, identifying areas for improvement, and fostering collective learning contribute to a culture of continuous improvement within the organizing team.